Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler and I make new videos every single week on affordable beauty and fashion. And today's video, I'm talking about my absolute new favorite product to combat redness or to just kind of even your skin tone, and I'm in love with it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Let's get started with this video. So the product that I'm talking about today is the Hero Rescue Balm Plus Red Correct. This is their color correcting green cream. It says it visibly evens skin tone with encapsulated pigments. So I have had this for a little while now, and to be honest, when I first used it, I was using it incorrectly. So this size that I have is $13, and I did pick it up at Target. Hero Cosmetics, I believe is what it's called. Yeah, Hero Cosmetics also has the very famous like hydrocolloid patches from Target that are called, I think, Mighty Patches, that you put on a zit and then it draws everything out of it while you sleep, or they have daytime ones. They have a bunch of different things. So I was very intrigued by this for color correcting and covering like pigmentation and redness from acne, because I do get acne. And when I first used this, all I was doing was basically like spot correcting with the little bit of area. But my favorite way to use it is actually putting it all over the face. So I'll show you how I use it. I've been doing this now the last couple of days, and honestly, it looks just like my skin, but it helps really even my skin tone. So it's perfect for days when I don't want to wear makeup, or I want to just kind of do a little no makeup routine. That's kind of what I'm going to show you today. And then also, I think it'll be the perfect product for the summertime. This would be an amazing product to wear at the pool, or something where you don't really want to wear a bunch of makeup, but you want a little bit of evenness for your skin tone. So I'm going to zoom you in. As you can see, I have redness and pigmentation here. I don't have a whole lot of like overall redness, but I feel like this could also be good for someone with rosacea or just like a lot of rosy cheeks, you know? I find that you don't need that much product of this, and so it kind of goes a long way. Well, first of all, let me just show you what it looks like on my hand, okay? So it comes out green, which just seems so weird, right? And then as you rub it in, it's going to literally transform into your skin tone, okay? And that is my favorite part about it, because you literally can't see it, right? It is so skin-like looking, and it transforms into your skin tone, so you don't have to color match anything. This can work for a bunch of different skin tones, and I just think it's such a cool concept. I'm sure there's I know there's other products out there like this, but I just really, really enjoy this Hero Cosmetics one. So let me show you how I use it. Put a little bit on my hand here, rub it in my fingers just a little bit, and then go directly on the face. And I like to do kind of half of my face at a time, because it does dry down somewhat quickly. But this is almost like best of a BB cream, kind of, because it is your exact skin tone. And I like to put it literally all over my face. So it's not going to completely cover up these areas, but it does kind of camouflage them, make sure the redness isn't like crazy, and I just think it looks so freaking good. So I'm going to take a little bit more and go up on my forehead. I just realized I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I'm kind of doing this in the viewfinder of the camera, which was kind of stupid of myself, but it's okay. The finish of this also is a little bit dewy, not like crazy dewy, but it's also not drying. So if you do have like dry, red, flaky patches, this will, I feel like, help combat that. But it just blends beautifully into the skin. It's a little bit dewy, not crazy. And I just think it's gorgeous. Look at that. So that's literally it. You could just throw this on and run out the door, and your skin tone is a lot more even, and it just kind of I don't know, I just love the look of it. Today, I am going to show you just kind of how I would jazz it up a little bit. I'm going to put a little brow product in, a little mascara, a little lip balm, and then that would be kind of like a no makeup look. This is what I've been doing the last couple of days, and I've been loving it. So for the brow product, I'm going to use the NYX Thick It Stick It. I did just dye my eyebrows, so I don't really need a bunch of color or anything, but just a little bit of shape. Curl the lashes. So I curled the lashes. You could end it at that step. I've done that a lot. But today I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Curl Bounce. I have a full review of this on my channel. It was actually the last video I did. I've been absolutely loving this mascara because you can just kind of put a little bit on and it looks great, or you can load it up and it doesn't clump like crazy. It's just a great mascara. All right, and last step for the like no makeup is just some lip balm. This is the Wet n Wild Sleeping Lip Mask. Obviously I'm not going to sleep, but I just love this for really hydrated, juicy looking lips. There you have it, just an evened out skin tone, no makeup look. Obviously, if you really wanted to completely cover the blemishes, you could put a little bit of concealer over them. These aren't actually blemishes, it's just pigmentation. But I honestly don't feel like I need to. I don't really care. And I think it looks so nice, just kind of like running errands, no makeup, perfect for the summertime, the pool, what have you. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week on beauty and fashion, and I hope you subscribe. I'll see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.